Glad to see you all once again. This is Stocky and welcome back. Today let us understand what is IPO, how it works and how you can profit from it. An initial public offering, IPO, is like a big introduction for a company in the stock market, welcoming everyday traders. The company determines the number of shares to offer, and an investment bank suggests an opening price based on anticipated demand, setting the stage for the stock to step into the spotlight. In this world of IPOs, private companies transition from private ownership to sharing ownership with the public. Points to remember about IPOs: allotment basis, oversubscription, and IPO application process. Allotment is based on investor responses. In undersubscribed IPOs, applicants may get all the lots they applied for. In oversubscribed cases, where the number of applications exceeds available shares, a lottery process determines allotment, ensuring fairness in distribution. IPO application involves placing bids for desired shares. SEBI oversees the process. If approved, you become a shareholder with the option to sell for profit or earn dividends. SEBI's clearance is crucial for companies launching an IPO. Allotment chances. Chances depend on the subscription level and the applied category. Oversubscribed IPOs often use a lottery system, ensuring equal chances for all applicants. Checking application status. Visit the official BSE website to check the IPO application status. Enter the registered name, PAN number, and application number for details on application status, bid ID, shares allotted, and share price. Reasons for rejection. Rejection reasons include multiple applications under the same PAN, incorrect information on the application form, and discrepancies in the name on the PAN card and bank account. Now, you might have a question: why do companies opt for IPOs? Well, here is a list of reasons just for you. Capital access. IPOs provide access to substantial capital, especially crucial for companies unable to secure enough from private investors. Market presence. Going public enhances a company's legitimacy, offering advantages beyond just capital. Negotiating power. Publicly listed companies have stronger negotiating power for loans, interest rates, and mergers. Demand for an IPO. An IPO gauges public sentiment and provides an exit for private investors, enhancing a company's legitimacy. Prerequisites for IPO filing. SEBI sets requirements, including a minimum operating profit and net tangible assets over the past years. In short, an IPO is a journey from private to public ownership, shaping the future of companies in the stock market. Now, let's see the process of applying for IPO in Zeroda. I would be showing in Kite mobile app, since the procedure is same in laptop. So, first go to bids, which is the latest upgraded option in Kite. In that, select IPO option available above. Here, ongoing stock list for IPO is available. You can see some are closed and some are open for application. So you need to apply for IPO within the specified offer date range mentioned for each. For example, let's say I would like to apply for Safel IPO. You see the rate is fixed per share for this, whereas others have variable rates as we wish in that range. Just click on Apply in front of SAIFL. Here again, you get a page with all the info about that IPO stock. Since it is traded in a lot of 800 shares, that is the minimum amount to be bought with price of Rs 180 per share for this. Here, in IPO status, you can see different steps that take place. The date range within which to be applied. Whether IPO lot allotted or not. If not allotted, they will refund your amount. Listing is that the stock is ready to be traded by general public and will enter an exchange. So, coming back. Just click again on Apply on this page of Safel stock. Here your UPI details for IPO payment will appear. Please check here per day, only 3 bids, or total only 3 times you can apply for IPO. Minimum quantity being 800 with rate 180 per share. They have mentioned amount total to be 1,44,000 to be paid. Just tick the checkbox to move further and submit to apply for IPO. That's it. Your work is done. Coming back to bids, here you can see IPOs you have applied for. That's all about IPOs, folks. See you next time with a new topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep learning and happy trading.